Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix due to repeated failed attempts or other usual activity your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Support code ss02, which means when you try to create account on Snapchat with a specific username or email and you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that on iPhone? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here. And after opening the Safari, what you have to do, you have to simply search here, Snapchat support. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to the home page of the Snapchat support. And here what you have to do, you have to wait for some second so that you can find this kind of interface here. So here you can simply find all the details here, but you have to simply go to the home page of the Snapchat support. And here you can simply click on I can't access my account. And after that, you will find the option of my account is compromised. So here you have to click on that. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of the a form which you can simply fill on that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply again select the option in account compromise. So here you can simply click on account contact support here. So here you can click on again, I think my account was compromised, and you have to make sure that you fill that form here. So here you can provide here your username about which your account created. So here you have to click on your email address and your mobile number you try to create account. And after that, you have to provide here your description of the problem, which is as that, hello Snapchat team, I have recently tried to create account on Snapchat and it says due to repeated failed attempts, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled, support code ss02. So here what you have to do, you have to simply fill the captcha here and you have to submit the form. And after that, what you have to do, you have to wait for some second, wait for some days so that Snapchat will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.